Where are you going to go? He's going to stay here.
Good walking.
You've got to hold on tight, remember?
Look at the fire truck, Stella.
No, do your wrist. Yeah, we do. That's it. Righto.
Look, there's 2 firemen and maybe someone have a fire in their house.
Yes. Good boy, Vlad. Good walking. Lovely. Oh, that's just lovely.
She's got the yank already.
Yep.